opportunity, and whatever contribution I did, he just acknowledged my contribution by putting my name in the patent. First, frankly,
friends,
legalities and so on. I just only contributed from my economical perspective who acknowledge our efforts. So thanks to. Second is without whom I would not have been given this opportunity. I think that is the principal of CHM College, and he's also having a good hand in research. He's associate professor in the Department of Economics at CHM College, and he just gave me this opportunity. That is a story. I'll share with you all. Before that, with the permission of organizers and principal ma'am, can I share my screen?
yeah, sir. And I would like to let everybody know we are just documenting this and therefore it's being recorded just as a documentation. Yeah, sir. Please share your screen.
Just wait. So I hope my screen is available.
Yes, sir.
And I hope PPT is working.
Yes, it is.
So this is the title page or the title of our team's patent or the proposal, that an IoT-based healthcare management system, information system. The application number which has been generated by the IP, that means Australian Government Patent Office. The application number I have mentioned. So first of all, I would like to show you the certificate. I just only college has the copy of my certificate for the recording purpose, for the documentation purpose. I have already provided them. But many of the people or many of my colleagues are not aware about that ये patent का certificate दिखता कैसा. So this is the patent certificate of grant innovation patent. This is not a standard patent. Let me first clear that this is an innovation patent. Patent is there, but innovation patent. Now, what is standard patent and what is innovation patent? We'll do afterward. So this is the patent number, and this is the team who contributed for the proposal. The Vimal sir and the rest of the people. So the next part which I would like to show you. So these are the team. These are the people from various areas like computer science.
Is everyone able to see Nilesh's screen? I am unable to see Nilesh's screen. Is everyone else able to see the screen?
Yes, yes, I am. Anybody else facing the problem?
Anybody else? Please let me know whether all can see the screen or not.
It's visible for us.
Yeah.
Is it?
Screen is visible, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, it's visible. It's visible.
What I'll do is I'll probably leave the meeting and rejoin. See if I can see.
Yeah, no issue. So while they were taking our name, I requested especially Vimal sir and Vilas sir that if possible, put the college name in front of our name, and just because that will be a kind of acknowledging not only my name but it will be acknowledging the college instead of writing just only Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. So we have requested and they have send our proposal in such a way or in that way. So the next thing is that so the 8 years from 26th of May. So the validity of this patent is 8 years. Okay. So why it 8 year? Just because normally we are having some idea that normally patents are for 20 years, or for pharmaceutical it will be of 25 years. But here the validity of this patent is for 8 years, just because this is not standard patent, this is innovation patent, something which we already have added, which is already existing in the market. So that's why it's of 8 years. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are, sir.
अगर बीच में कुछ होता है तो फिर मुझे मैसेज करो या फिर so basically, I'm not a technical person to talk on the patent and what is patent and the deep knowledge I am not having about the patent. Whatever I know about the patent, that mainly along with the different types of the patent, we are supposed to concentrate on the two types. These are standard patent and innovation patent. Now, the patent is obviously an intellectual property that gives the owner a legal right to exclude other from making use of or selling that invention for a limited period of time. But actually, when we are talking about the standard patent and innovation patent, just right now I just say that standard patent is the patent where something new which has not been yet introduced or हमने अभी ऐसा कुछ देखा नहीं, ऐसा novel idea standard patent में लाया जाता है. So that is the thing which comes under the standard patent. But while it come about the innovation patent, so innovation patent की जब बात आती है तो we are adding something new, or we can say it occurs when someone improves or make a significant contribution to an existing product or service. For example, if we are talking about the standard patent, mobile is the best example for the standard patent, just because we never have seen the product just like that. But when it comes about the revision or updation in the mobile field, so Nokia का डब्बा से लेके वो कलर स्क्रीन तक आ गया, फ्रॉम कलर स्क्रीन टू टच स्क्रीन आ गया, फ्रॉम टच स्क्रीन टू अभी आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस तक आ गया. सो दीज आर द इनोवेटिव स्टेप्स. तो उनके लिए 8 इयर्स का वैलिडिटी होता है, एंड स्टैंडर्ड पेटेंट के लिए फिर 20 इयर्स का वैलिडिटी माना जाता है. When we talk about the patentability in both the term for standard patent and innovation, the standard patent, the patentability of the standard patent is totally depend upon the novel idea and inventive steps. Something new should be invented in that standard patent. So the patentability will be given on the or can be checked on that basis. Either it should be novel and inventive steps should be there. But when it comes about the innovation patent, the patentability can be checked on two ideas. One is obviously the idea or whatever updation we are giving or doing, that should be novel, and at the same time some innovative steps should be there, not inventive steps, something new. For example, ऑयल का जो बॉटल हम लोग यूज करते हैं घर में, उसको कितना भी आप टिल करने के बाद, पॉर करने के बाद, वो एक आध ड्रॉप तो नीचे गिर ही जाता है. उसमें बॉटल की जो बॉटल है उसका शेप डिफरेंट वे में अगर हम लोग बना रहे हैं तो इट विल बी अ नॉवेल्टी प्लस सम इनोवेटिव स्टेप. बट बॉटल का पेटेंट स्टैंडर्ड पेटेंट नहीं जाएगा. बट उसमें अगर हम इफ वी आर चेंजिंग द फॉर्म ऑफ दैट बॉटल, इट विल कम अंडर दैट innovation. If we talk about the examination or cross-checking of the standard patent and innovation patent, the standard patent has compulsorily need examination. Without examination, without cross-checking, they have to prove themselves कि ऐसा प्रोडक्ट पहले कभी भी नहीं था and we are having a unique and novel idea. So examination of that standard patent is compulsory. But when it comes about the innovation patent, it's not compulsory. It's optional. It is upon the jury, or it is upon that commissioner of patent whether they want to cross-check it or not. For example, last 1.5 month before, I gone through with one video कि हमने एक स्कूल का बैग सबने पहला हाँ, जब हम लोग स्कूल का बैग पहनते थे या फिर लेके जाते थे तो पहले का फॉर्म अलग रहता था. उसके बाद एक एल्यूमिनियम का डब्बा आ गया. स्कूल का बैग अगर हम लोग स्टैंडर्ड पेटेंट में डालते हैं तो वो जो एल्यूमिनियम वाला जो डब्बा है, दैट विल बी अ काइंड ऑफ इनोवेशन पेटेंट. ओके, सो आफ्टरवर्ड आई सॉ इन दैट वीडियो कि इन राजस्थान वेयर climate is very hot, but at the evening there is very shortage of electricity since last 6 months. Gujarat and Rajasthan. Rajasthan is facing a very crunches in term of electricity. So वहाँ एक ने बैग बनाया कि बच्चे लोग स्कूल में साइकिल पे जाते थे तो उन्होंने सोलर पैनल जो है वो स्कूल के बैग को लगा दिया. आते समय जाते समय वो जो सोलर है वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करेगा. उसके आजू बाजू में जो है जहाँ सिलाई होती है वो बैग की वहाँ उन्होंने एलईडी लाइट का कनेक्शन सोलर प्लांट को दे दिया. सो बच्चे थ्रू आउट द डे जब भी खेलने के लिए स्कूल में जाएंगे ऑन साइकिल दैट सोलर विल कंज्यूम द पावर एंड एट द एंड जब शाम को लाइट चली जाएगी तो सोलर के इस पे वो एलईडी अपने आप चलता जाएगा उनको स्टडी करने के लिए फिर हेल्प. उसके बाद we can say this will be a kind of innovation. If we consider that the new technology which has come, a person can wear a device or a mobile or any smart watch and he can sync his luggage bag. With that luggage bag if he अगर वो चल रहा है तो उसके पीछे फिर उसके बाजू बाजू में वो ऑटोमेटिकली उसका बैग चलेगा. Okay. या फिर ये भी एक काइंड ऑफ इनोवेशन पेटेंट हो गया. या फिर अगर इससे भी आगे कुछ और उसमें हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जांपल चाइना में फिर जापान में अभी न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी हो रही इन द सेक्टर ऑफ रेस्टोरेंट इन द एयर स्टेशन दैट डेस्टिनेशन बेस्ड ट्रैकिंग सिस्टम जो आपके लगेज बैग को लगाई जाएगी एंड आपकी बैग को लगेज ट्रैक लगाने के बाद वो ऑर्डर दे देंगे एंड आपका बैग जो है पेंट्री में या फिर आपके रूम में कौन से रूम में जाना है फिर लगेज रूम में जाना है वेरेवर वो उनको डायरेक्ट करेंगे एंड दैट बैग विल गो. सो इट विल बी ए काइंड ऑफ इनोवेशन. सो स्टैंडर्ड पेटेंट बैग का था मगर उसमें इनोवेशन अलग अलग तरीके से हो रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई इसकी वैलिडिटी है वो 8 साल की है जस्ट बिकॉज इसमें टाइम कुछ ना कुछ अलग अलग रह सकता है. Is it okay?
Yeah.
It's working?
Yeah, it's working.
Okay. So we'll move towards the next part, that is the patent process. So first of all, as I told you that we must hire some technical person or a lawyer at international level. They are called as attorney. So first of all, if we are having any novel idea or innovative steps or procedures, so we have to write it down in 2 or 3 or 5 pages, just like our research proposal. And that idea should be, we have to give it to that attorney. That attorney will check the idea. That means he probably will be checking the patentability of our idea. Normally at international level, checking the patentability, that attorney takes 24 hours to check your patentability of your idea. So that is the first step, I guess. The second step, that if he is agree that yes, your idea is patentable, the drafting work will start. In the international level or the Australian level, every country has their own template. Minimum 25 to 30 page drafting along with the principal investigator and the attorney. Both will sit and they'll prepare one draft of your research proposal. It will also take 24 to within the 24 hours. 24 hours you can submit that draft to that particular country's patent office. The third thing is first and second, that is patentability checking and drafting is the part of at our own level. But while it comes about submitting that draft to the international level, we are first supposed to take the permission of our own country. In our country, we have to take the permission of Indian Patent Office. And unfortunately, it takes lots of time. Indian government permission for applying in Australia or any international level. Indian government gives us the permission by taking fees in I think form number 25 जो मुझे भरना पड़ता है, but it may take 30 days भी कभी उसमें permission में only लग जाते हैं. After we get the permission, just because they are looking after whether that patent or whether that idea or whether that product or software is not related to any defense or any internal security matters or they are not causing any atomic energy clauses and so on. So after getting the permission, the next step will be the submission. Submission in the international patent offices. We have submitted, Demon Sir has submitted it in a Australian Patent Office. After submission of patent, your application number is generated. For example, I could redirect you to my application number. If you all can see, is it visible? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this is the patent number. This is unique patent number which is generated. So after application number or getting your application number, some time will be given for settling down some queries or the doubts which jury or the patent commissioner may have. So for settling down all this query, 10 to 12 days it takes. It comes on a very fast track. So maximum 20 days. After 20 days, either your patent could be acceptable or may be rejected. So you will come to know after 20 days whether it is accepted or rejected. If it is accepted, definitely the certification generation will be there. Doctor certificate, patent office से आपको मिल जाएगा. But the main thing is that granting your patent. Just because afterward you are supposed to enforce that patent, or you are supposed to actually convert your idea in the form of your final product. So granting the patent will be the last part. I am also redirecting you to the patent granting part. This is the Australian patent website. Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you all can see that one board has written here that the patent is granted. This is the number, this is the title, and these are the inventors or the applicants. Okay. So the final granting has been given. For granting your proposal at international level, it takes maximum 30 days. Now, if I could say about the Indian government takes 3.5 years. Yes, I'm correct. I'm not saying in the month. It takes more than 3.5 years, more than 42 to 44 months. Okay, so that's why people are interested to file their patents at international level instead of Indian level. There are some provision if you really wanted to reduce the time period, if you are in a hurry and if any patentee wants that his final product should come as early as possible. So he can apply to the Indian government patent office, and पहले तो उसको 25,000 पहले स्टेप में भरना पड़ता था, उसके बाद 3.5 साल में उसको पेटेंट मिलेगा, ग्रांट मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा बात करते हैं. But if he is ready to pay 45 to 50,000, so he'll be able to get his patent grant within 18 to 20 months. थोड़ा सा फास्ट ट्रैक पे हो सकता है. एंड अगर कोई पेटेंट अगर बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी में उसको he wants to start with his incubation or startup, so he can pay 55 to 60,000 and he can get the grant of his proposal within 6 to 9 months. मगर फिर भी ये 6 to 9 months है. Okay, in foreign countries or in at international level, they are allowing or they are granting your valid patent within 30 days or in 1 month. सो अगर हम लोग इंडिया की बात करें तो फिर भी आपको फास्ट ट्रैक पे भी चलाना हो तो भी 6 to 9 months लग जाएगा. उसमें आपके 9 पेटेंट अगर रेडी है आपके पास तो आपको 9 पेटेंट मिल सकते हैं इंटरनेशनल. सो दीज आर सम थिंग्स ड्यू टू विच इंडियन पेटेंट्स ऑफिस में ज़्यादा लोग जो है पेटेंट सबमिट नहीं करते. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज that is the last thing, that is all about the enforcement. We can enforce our project, we can start our startup, we can convert our idea to the final product after getting our patent granted. So basically why people are not interested going for the Indian patent, just because at international level business opportunities are better than the India. Then the enforcement of patent right is very effective. The time, obviously, which I already have told you, that time for granting the patent less in international. Foreign markets are very mature in terms of buying or selling the patents, where in Indian market or Indian people are very rigid in terms of accepting or buying or selling that patents. And obviously, at international level, investors are very interested to pay the money what you want for your patent. So patent is valued more by the investor at international level. Now, I already have told you that I have segregated my work in three parts. The first part was all about what is patent or just a basic about the patent, which has already finished. The second part is main proposal, that is IoT-based healthcare management system. And the third part, I have segregated that third part for economical perspective, what we contributed. So this is the main proposal, which is based on an IoT-based healthcare management information system. This is the title. Basically, this is totally depend upon the artificial intelligence. Now, किसी को artificial intelligence के बारे में अभी बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, just because our total day-to-day life is occupied with AI. मतलब I could say नवरात्रि चल रहा है, with due respect of ladies, कि मैं अगर अपने वाइफ को ऑर्डर दूंगा या फिर उसको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा तो वो नहीं मानेगी, मगर मेरी एलेक्सा या फिर सिरी या फिर कोटाना जो है वो जल्दी ऑर्डर फॉलो करेगी. So this is the part of artificial intelligence and our life is totally occupied. The second platform which has been used for this project is Internet of Things, that is IoT. Now IoT is also a thing where most of the things or network or the physical object which are embedded with sensors, software and other technology for the purpose of connecting and exchanging the data with other devices and systems over the internet. So we can say the Internet of Things, that is IoT, refers to a system of interrelated internet connected objects that are able to collect and transfer the data over a wireless network without human intervention. So this is also a soul of this healthcare management information system which has been used in this proposal. And the third thing which is also useful for this proposal, which is going to be used, that is cloud storage. Just because in this proposal, the health record of any particular registered patient, we can collect the data of his health related content and we can store it, we can upload it on the cloud storage, and the data can be retrieved by any stakeholder or any person who is having the access of this particular device, which is going to be elaborated in this, which has already elaborated in this proposal. So basically, ये proposal में है क्या? Just because many of the time I have been also asked that you are an economics person and what your contribution in this technical field, just because you are not from the computer science or IT or so on. So before I could say my contribution or I could tell you my contribution, we must know how I could contribute or how my economics knowledge could, how I can link my knowledge with this IoT healthcare management system. So first of all, we must know that what is this system. उन्होंने जो एक डिवाइस क्लेम किया है, हिमर एंड उनकी टीम ने, कंप्यूटर साइंस के इंजीनियर्स, तो इन्होंने एक ऐसी हेल्थ केयर मशीन का सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया है which machine can based on the IoT system, and the present invention provides an easy way of storing and retrieving the data of targeted patients. So जो पेशेंट्स ये डिवाइस यूज़ करेंगे, एक्सेस करेंगे, उनका डेटा जो है हेल्थ रिलेटेड पूरा डेटा, पूरा हेल्थ की हिस्ट्री, कौन से डॉक्टर के पास कितनी बार ऑपरेशंस हुए, कौन सी मेडिसिन चालू है, कौन से एडिक्शंस को है, कौन सी एनर्जी है, क्या प्लस पॉइंट्स है, उनकी हेल्थ, बाकी के रिकॉर्ड्स क्या है, डायग्नोस्टिक सेंटर में पहले के जो रिकॉर्ड्स थे, एक्सरे से लेके ब्लड के सब के सैंपल्स के रिकॉर्ड सब उनके पास सेव रहेंगे. Okay, and that data can be retrieved by any hospital, authorized hospital or authorized diagnostic centers or authorized doctors, team of doctors And we have added one more element, that is insurance corporation. That is our contribution. We'll talk about that part later. So the summary of this invention is that the system will be useful for management of patient's medical history, diagnosis, treatment which has been provided earlier, monitoring records, clinical investigations of patient. The personal health record, that is PHR, उन्होंने अपने डिवाइस का नाम भी यही रखा है, that is PHR machine, my PHR machine. If luckily अगर ये पैटर्न किसी कंपनी हायर करती है तो उन्होंने उनका नाम जो दिया है my PHR record. That PHR system is made for registering patient and कंप्यूटर बेस्ड सिस्टम है पूरा, जिसमें पूरा डेटा रिकॉर्ड हो जाएगा, क्लाउड पे अपलोड हो जाएगा, स्टोर हो जाएगा, एंड जो ऑथेंटिक क्लाइंट्स हैं उनके वो उसको रिट्रीव कर सकते हैं. Now this is all about this invention, innovative which has been defined by this invention is that already मैंने जो बोला है that PHR, that is personal health record, will be maintained, and two main things they have initiated. रेड कलर में जो सबसे नीचे मैंने हाईलाइट किया है, automated patient identifier. I think this is our contribution, due to which they have added this element, and due to this element they got one opportunity and they got one more client from the healthcare sector. That's why I think they have recognized, they have acknowledged our work. I'll talk later on what is the automated patient identifier and patient care system. So this is all about the claim which they are defining. Now this is my third segregation part. This is the very last part of our PPT presentation, that what is team economics contribution for this project. Now the idea is already generated, or we have taken from Professor George Arthur Akerlof. He is a Nobel laureate of 2001. He won his Nobel for the contribution in the field of asymmetric information. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, as Meet from the psychology department, or Madhuri ma'am or Amrita ma'am, they are from the psychology field. Last year's Nobel winner was Professor Thaler from the behavioral economics. Okay. So, this is also a branch of behavioral economics, asymmetric information. Now, since we, Madhumita ma'am and we are sharing the criteria to committee along with the supervisor and management and so on. So, प्रिंसिपल मैम को भी पता है कि उस दिन हमारा जो गौतम मुजुमदार के साथ बात हो रहा था, उसमें वो एक ही बात पे ज़्यादा फोकस कर रहा था, इंफॉर्मेशन. ओके, कलेक्टिंग दैट इंफॉर्मेशन. एंड ये सब गेम जो है इंफॉर्मेशन का ही है. फ्यूचर में जो है इंफॉर्मेशन विल बी मार्केट, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इफ द information is collected in a symmetrical way, that will create money, not the asymmetric information. So the asymmetry in the information may create the problem of market failure in the economy. Now what George Arthur Akerlof has contributed, so I could explain with the help of the market for layman. Here if you all can see the market for lemon. Now the word lemon is not for नींबू, ये नींबू का मार्केट नहीं है. लेमन उन्होंने यूज किया है for the product which are faulty in the nature, or which are, we can say, bad product or faulty product. Okay. So for example, he has given an example of cars. If I am having one car, मैंने 2-3 साल उसको यूज़ किया है, आई एम अवेयर अबाउट माई कंडीशन ऑफ माई कार, दैट इट्स स्टिल हेल्दी, अभी भी वो बहुत अच्छी है. एंड मैं अगर उसको सेकेंड हैंड में बेचना भी चाहूँ तो मैं एक्सपेक्ट करूँगा कि मुझे ज़्यादा पैसा मिले. ओके, बट व्हेन आई एक्चुअली एंटर इन द सेकेंड हैंड मार्केट, द सिनेरियो इज टोटली डिफरेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल, कार नंबर 1, कार नंबर 2, कार नंबर 3, कार नंबर 4, 5 and 6. If these are the cars एंड मेरी वाली कार ये है जो कि मुझे पता है इट्स इन अ हेल्दी कंडीशन, और एक बंदा है जिसकी कार ये है एंड वो भी हेल्दी कंडीशन है। We both are expected more than 10,000 rupees. But all these cars, ये पूरी पुरानी कार है। नंबर 1 की कार पुरानी है, कुछ तो इंटरनल डिफेक्ट है जो उसको ही पता है, वो उसको 3,000 में भी बेचने को रेडी। ये जो बंदा है इसकी कार भी डिफॉल्ट है, उसने थोड़ा उसको कलर वगैरह किया है, थोड़ा लुक अच्छा दिया है, उसको 4 to 5,000 एक्सपेक्टेड। ये भी डल कार, फॉल्टी कार है, वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है 4,000, ये एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है 5,000। So what is happening now? If a person B, C or D all are interested to have their own second-hand car, so जब ये तीनों कार लेने जाएंगे मार्केट में, so मार्केट में उनको ये सब 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 कार दिखेंगे, एंड पुराने वाले कार ने भी थोड़ा अच्छा कलर वगैरह करके अच्छा वहाँ दिखने के लिए शोकेस किया है, so these people will get confused, या इसमें से अच्छी कौन सी बुरी कौन सी है। So उनके लिए ज़्यादा मैटर क्या करता है? These people are not aware or they don't have a perfect information about the good and healthy car and faulty car. So उनकी जो information जो कम है, knowledge कम है, asymmetry information में है, उसका फ़ायदा जो है वो सेलर लेता है। सेकेंड हैंड कार का जो सेलर का शॉप है, वो शॉप ओनर उसका फ़ायदा लेता है। Just because considering that these 3 people are not aware about the actual condition of that car. So ये B, C, D को एक ही चाहिए कि मुझे कार अफोर्डेबल रेट में मिलना चाहिए, तो वो क्या करेगा? वो ये कार ले लेगा, ये कार ले लेगा, ये कार ले लेगा, या फिर ये कार। बट वाइल इट कम्स अबाउट द गुड कार, वो इसके लिए नहीं जाएगा, जिस बिकॉज उसके लिए वो 10,000 बहुत ज़्यादा मायने रखती है, जिस बिकॉज इनका उतना बजट नहीं है। सो ये नंबर 2 का जो बंदा है, दिस वन, एंड ये नंबर 5 वाला जो बंदा है, दिस पर्सन, ये सोचेंगे कि यार इसकी कार बिक जाती है, इसकी कार गई, इनकी जगह नई नई कार आ गई, हमारी कार 10, 15, 20 दिन से उधर ही पड़ी है। सो आफ्टर सर्टेन टाइम पीरियड, व्हाट दीज पीपल विल डू, द नंबर 2 will back off from the market and number 5 will back off from the market. So अभी मार्केट में बचा क्या? मार्केट में बचा only lemon, that means bad or faulty cars, and this will lead to the market failure. So on the basis जॉर्ज अकरलॉफ ने मार्केट फॉर लेमन का आर्टिकल जो है वो 1970 में लिखा था एक जर्नल में, एंड उनको जो है इसमें नोबेल मिला 2001, क्योंकि ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड ऐसी बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स इकोनॉमी में हो रही थी जिसके पीछे एसिमेट्रिक इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत ज़्यादा रोल प्ले कर रहा था, एंड उसके पीछे फिर इनको एक्नॉलेज उनके एफर्ट्स को किया गया। नाउ द सेम आई कैन कोरिलेट विद सम पार्ट। अगर स्कूल में जब हम लोग जाते हैं तो बहुत सारी डिवीजन होती है, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I तक हो जाती है। ओके, सो आई में जो चला जाता है वो एकदम डल स्टूडेंट होता है, ए में जो होता है वो थोड़ा स्कॉलर स्टूडेंट होता है, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली कभी कभी लेट एडमिशन के वजह से स्कॉलर स्टूडेंट जो है वो आई डिवीजन में चला जाता है, बट ही कैनॉट मैनेज विद द एनवायरनमेंट विच दैट हाई क्लास हैज़। वहाँ बहुत मस्ती करने वाली लड़के होते हैं, या फिर वहाँ टीचर जो होते हैं वो बराबर से नहीं पढ़ाते, धंधा मस्ती चालू करते, तो ये स्कॉलर लड़का क्या कर सकता है? एक तो बैक ऑफ करेगा, एक तो रिक्वेस्ट करेगा कि मुझे ABC किसी अच्छे डिवीजन में ऑक्यूपाई कर लो, अदरवाइज ये यहाँ से चला जाए। ओके, सो द थिंग इज दैट उनका एक बहुत अच्छा स्टेटमेंट है जॉर्ज अकरलॉफ का, दैट बैड कार्स ड्राइव आउट द गुड कार फ्रॉम द मार्केट। उसका मतलब जो फॉल्टी चीज़ें होती हैं वो हमेशा अच्छे प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट से धक्का मार के निकाल देती है, तो फिर मार्केट में बचेगा क्या? तो मार्केट में ओनली फॉल्टी या फिर लेमन प्रोडक्ट या फिर डिफॉल्टर प्रोडक्ट्स ही बचेंगे। सो वी कोरिलेटेड द जॉर्ज अकरलॉफ्स थ्योरी ऑफ एसिमेट्रिक इंफॉर्मेशन referenced by market for the layman to the field of insurance sector. तो हमने उसको इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर से कोरिलेट किया। तो इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर में भी क्या होता है, देखो, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, मेनी ऑफ द पीपल वी गो फॉर द हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, बट इसमें भी दो तरीके के लोग होते हैं। एक ऑनेस्ट होते हैं, दूसरा डिसऑनेस्ट। तो ऑनेस्ट पीपल कौन है? जो जिनको पता है कि ठीक है मैंने हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस निकाला है, फिर भी इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं कुछ भी खाऊं, कैसे भी रहूं, एक्सरसाइज ना करूं, टाइम पे मेडिसिन ना लूं। वो अपना अपना प्रिकॉशंस बराबर से लेते हैं, जिसकी वजह से उनकी पॉलिसी विड्रॉ करने की नौबत नहीं आती। अच्छी बात। बट व्हाट अबाउट द डिफॉल्टर वन? कैसे भी रहेंगे, कैसे भी खाएंगे, कैसे भी पिएंगे, एडिक्शंस बहुत सारे रहेंगे। कभी कभी ये लोग हॉस्पिटल्स, डॉक्टर्स, डायग्नोस्टिक सेंटर्स, मेडिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स, इनको हाथ में पकड़ के कुछ माल प्रैक्टिसेस करते हैं एंड हर साल एक एक दो दो चार चार दिन के लिए झूठ मूठ का एडमिट होगा एंड उसके ऊपर इंश्योरेंस कंपनी से क्लेम वसूल करते हैं। So what will happen if such things or such malpractices are happening? What will be happening in term of health insurance sector? हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी वाले बोलेंगे कि इतना ज़्यादा हर टाइम हम लोग क्लेम सेटल कर रहे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा लग रहा है, लॉस में जाने के चांसेस है। सो द अल्टीमेट थिंग व्हाट दे विल डू, दे विल इंक्रीज द इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम। तो अगर इंश्योरेंस का प्रीमियम अगर बढ़ जाता है तो अल्टीमेटली ये इनके वजह से बढ़ा है। मगर बेयर किसको करना पड़ रहा है? इन लोगों को, हेल्दी लोगों को या फिर ऑनेस्ट लोगों को बेयर करना पड़ रहा है। सो व्हाट विल हैपन? तो ये ऑनेस्ट लोग क्या बोलेंगे कि मैं अगर 20,000 रुपीज़ इफ आई एम पेइंग इन टर्म ऑफ माई इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम एवरी ईयर एंड आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एनी बेनिफिट, बेनिफिट मिलना भी नहीं चाहिए, मतलब अगर आपको बेनिफिट चाहिए तो आपको बीमार रहना पड़ेगा। सो वो बेनिफिट उनको नहीं मिल रहा है। सो व्हाट दे विल थिंक दैट ठीक है मैं ना भरूँ समझूँ, एंड इतना ही पैसा अगर मैं खुद की पर्सनल हेल्थ मेंटेन करने के लिए जिम में या फिर हेल्दी एक्टिविटी में, योगा में, मेरे डाइट पे अगर मैं खर्च करूँ तो क्या है, इंस्टेड ऑफ वेस्टिंग माई 20,000 पर ईयर एंड ये पर ईयर और बढ़ता जाएगा, नेक्स्ट ईयर 25,000 हो जाएगा, जस्ट बिकॉज हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी आर कीपिंग दैट प्रीमियम इंक्रीजिंग इन ईच एंड एवरी ईयर जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस माल प्रैक्टिसेस। सो इस तरीके से क्या होगा, ये
Sir, your sound is not being heard. Hello? Nilesh sir, your sound is not being heard. Is it okay for others? Or am I the only one who is not hearing the sound?
No, even I can't hear.
I can't hear him either. I can't hear him.
Okay, we'll send him a message.
Send him a message ना,
Yeah,
नहीं
yeah.
सुनाई दे रहा. Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
extremely sorry, Wi-Fi light chali gayi, that's why.
No problem, no problem. That's why we didn't understand what happened.
Yeah, I'm extremely
Take your
sorry.
time.
So I think I was saying something. So इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर को स्टार्ट किया था कि मैंने, आई एम नॉट श्योर।
Insurance, yeah, health insurance you were talking about. Instead of investing in premiums, people will start investing in gyms or
other. So that's why I could say that dishonest dealing tend to drive out the honest dealing out of the marketplace. So,
so can you share your screen again? Screen sharing is off.
sorry. Is it visible?
Yeah, yes, sir.
what we are talking about that if the sincere premium paying person, if they are not getting benefit of any insurance calculations and so on, they will come out from the market, and in the market only the defaulter premium payers will remain, and ये market फिर कभी ना कभी फिर कोलैप्स हो जाएगी. जैसे लेमन्स मार्केट के वजह से 2007 में बहुत बड़ा रिसेशन यूएस में आया था बैंकिंग सेक्टर. The same way, it may also affect the insurance sector, and as all the economic variables are interdependent, one sector will affect the other sector, and the total economic flashdown will be there. So, the answer has been given by Agarlof itself. कि asymmetric information से अगर हम लोग symmetrical information पे आते हैं तो definitely it will help us to overcome from the problem. So we have tried to interlink our project or our literature with the layman's market and health insurance through this device. ये device के through हम लोग कर सकते हैं. For example, हमने जो उनको recommendations दिए थे, for example हमने उनको ये पूरा आइडिया दे दिया कि ये इकोनॉमिक्स का लिटरेचर है. हमने रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर बहुत सारा layman's market and asymmetric information पे किया था, एंड हमने उनको बोला था कि अगर आप आपके डिवाइस में ऐसा कुछ add on करते हो या फिर if you can add one button or one caption through which the insurance companies can access your data, so that ultimately just because your PHR, that means patient healthcare system जो machine है, the sole purpose of that machine is to maintain the record, store the record, and anybody, those who are the authentic person or authentic agencies like hospitals, insurance, diagnostic centers, individual doctor or a group of doctor or diagnostic center, they can access the data. Why don't you add one more element, and why the insurance corporations can access your data, and if they are accessing the data, they will ultimately come to know, and it will be helpful for them to identify which are the honest premium payer, honest and healthy patient, and who are the dishonest or non-healthy patient. First thing, so we recommended them that it will help to synchronize your data along with the insurance company, and obviously अगर कोई मशीन बना रहा है, अगर हम लोग उनको क्लाइंट दे दें नया, तो वो ना किसे बोल सकते. सो आई थिंक यही एक काम था जिसकी वजह से उन्होंने हमारा काम एक्नॉलेज किया, जस्ट बिकॉज वी हैव गिवन अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव टू देयर प्रोजेक्ट, and due to which they can approach to the health insurance sector as a new client or the probable client for their machine in the future. So we recommended them to synchronize or use any mechanisms through which you can sync the patient's data with the insurance sector or insurance company. We also recommended them that why don't you try for the UID number. For example, अपना पूरा जो UID है, अपना आधार कार्ड जो है, वो हर एक जगह लिंक होता है. सो अगर हम किसी भी बंदे की पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो ओनली आधार या फिर पैन कार्ड से हम लोग रिट्रीव कर सकते हैं. इन द सेम वे, व्हाई डोंट यू जनरेट अ UID number for a patient those who are using your PHR machine. Obviously their data is already there in your cloud, and why don't you give the permission to the insurance sector by charging from them to create one UID number, just like our insurance company always provide us one unique policy number. According to that, they treat us, or our identification will be there. So why don't you create one your machine's UID number through which any insurance company, those who are hiring or opting your project or your machine or software, they can recognize or they can track or they can identify these history of that particular patient, whether these are genuine patient or dishonest patient. The second thing, it will also help them to control some malpractices which exist in the health sector or the health insurance sector. Unfortunately, some doctors, some team of doctors, some individual doctors, some practitioners, some hospitals or some diagnostic centers involving in such kind of malpractices. झूठे बिल्स रेडी करना, फेक एडमिट कार्ड एंड उसका पूरा हिस्ट्री क्रिएट करना है, प्रपोजल सबमिट करना है, उससे इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को बहुत सारा नुकसान होता है, एंड अल्टीमेट बर्डन जो है वो ऑनेस्ट प्रीमियम पेयर्स पे आता है. सो इट विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प देम टू control that malpractice, just because everybody should require to go or undergone through that machine. तो वो मशीन से सब डेटा के ही आप जाओगे. So you will be there will not be any certification required that you are a genuine one. They ultimately come to know that you are the genuine and healthy person and honest person. Next is identifying the honest and dishonest consumer. जो मैंने आपको already बोल दिया था. It will help just because the data and footprint of every your physical activity is already recorded. There is no requirement that you need to claim that I am honest or dishonest. And obviously the last part we have suggested then that why don't you give the reward or kind of subsidy or kind of concessional rate for the healthy and honest people. It will be kind of it will be kind of promotional thing. अगर आपको पता चल रहा है कि ये बंदा 5 साल से हेल्दी है, 5 साल से प्रीमियम बराबर भर रहा है, तो why he is bearing the extra cost which you people are used to increasing each and every year due to the defaulters or the lemon market or the people those who are involved in such kind of malpractices. So why don't you give them some rewards? अगर आपका हेल्थ अच्छा है और अगर आपने प्रीमियम बराबर से भर रहे, आपका रिकॉर्ड से मेंटेन है, तो आपको नेक्स्ट ईयर से 1000 2000 कम भरना पड़ेगा. तो ऐसा अगर कुछ है तो ऑनेस्ट लोग बाहर नहीं जाएंगे मार्केट से. So honest लोग को मार्केट से बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं. They will remain there, they will sustain, and ultimately it will definitely help to sustain the health insurance corporations also in the market. It will not cause any market failure. Okay, so I think I'm done. From this open for the discussion.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It was very interesting. And friends, the forum is open for discussion. Please ask your questions. Something in the chat box. You're receiving a lot of encouragement and love, sir. Lots of thumbs ups and lot of emoticons and claps are all over the screen. Great, great, great. So any specific questions?
I'll try to address them according to my capacity.
Yeah, I had a question. I had a question, if I may, till other questions. You can put your questions in the chat box or unmute till the questions come up. I had a question, sir. You said this PHR, personal health record, is a device. So is it a software? Because device for me would be something physical. Is it a software or an app? What is it? Or is it a physical device?
At right moment. Time was the main thing for me. Otherwise, if I could have get more time, then हम लोग उसमें और ज़्यादा aspect को डाल सकते हैं.
Thank you so much, sir. Wishing you many more.
Thank you. Thank you.
Any more questions, friends?
Hello, ma'am. This is Nimisha. I just want to ask one question to sir. First of all, congratulations, sir. It's a great contribution. Sir, one thing I want to ask you is you have collaborated with other people and you have got this patent. So what are the challenges if you do it individually, and is it possible to do it individually, and what are the again challenges if you do it in collaboration with others? Always there are pros and cons, so can you just throw light on it?
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Now, when I was going through, first of all, Nimisha, ma'am, thank you for putting your efforts in publishing my views and so on in newspapers. Thank you. So, so when we are talking about the individual effort, ultimately we required any technical person. अगर आपके पास knowledge भी है, idea भी novel है, या फिर कोई existing चीज़ में आप innovation कुछ करना चाहते हैं, even though you are having a good novel idea, but filing a patent is a very complicated and a technical thing. So while it comes about Indian government, we have to go through with a Form 15 और Form 25 जो हमारी टीम में वो लोग बोलते थे. मेरा उनका कभी इंटरेक्शन नहीं हुआ. मेरा जो इंटरेक्शन था डॉक्टर बिरला से ही हो रहा था. मगर वो जब भी बोल रहे थे कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा हेक्टिक वर्क होता है डॉक्यूमेंटेशंस का, मगर यस वहाँ अपने पास बहुत सारे लीगल एडवाइजर भी अवेलेबल है जो कम से कम चार्ज में हमें अपना पेटेंट जो है रजिस्टर करने के लिए हेल्प कर सकते हैं. सो एट अ इंडिविजुअल लेवल इफ यू आर हैविंग अ वेरी यूनिक और अ नॉवेल आइडिया, यू कैन गो फर्दर, यू कैन सर्च एनी लॉयर एंड यू कैन draft that your idea, give the supportive evidence for that, and you can, with the help of that lawyer, first of all they will check the patentability, whether it is patentable or not. If it is not, then there will be a full stop. If it is yes, then yes, the comma is there and you can proceed further. But while it comes about the collaboration, there are multiple problems may occur. For example, I'm going beyond the boundary now, that there are some restrictions on me itself, that I should not disclose any documentation part here itself, just because it's patent and idea generally chori hota hai. Now, when I'm talking about our negotiations, I have not paid a single penny. Whatever fees or registration or whatever already algorithm making part and so on, वो उन्होंने पहले से करके रखा था. हमारा एंट्री उसमें सडनली हो गया. होता है लग बाय लग सिंजा सिमसिम वाला दरवाजा खुलना, हमारा वहाँ पहुँचना एक टाइम पे हो गया. सो दे ऑलरेडी हैव गॉन थ्रू द प्रोसेस. मैंने यहाँ पैसा नहीं भरा है, सो मैं रॉयल्टी के लिए क्लेम नहीं कर सकता. ओके, एंड अदर ये बियॉन्ड द बाउंड्री का पार्ट है. इफ़ यू आर डूइंग इन अ कोलैबोरेशन, फिर वहाँ रॉयल्टी का भी बात आता है. अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट चल जाता है, एनी स्टेक होल्डर इज इंटरेस्टेड इन प्रोडक्ट एंड इफ दे आर हायरिंग द प्रोडक्ट, इफ दे आर रेडी टू इन्वेस्ट इन योर प्रोडक्ट, देन व्हाट विल बी द कंट्रीब्यूशन एंड व्हाट विल बी द प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग पार्ट. उसमें टेक्निकल बातें बहुत सारी आती है जो आपके अटॉर्नी है, फिर आपका लॉयर के सिवाय आप डेलीगेट नहीं कर सकते, निगोशिएट नहीं कर सकते. यहाँ मोर देन 8 to 10 मेंबर्स अगर रहेंगे तो 8 to 10 मेंबर्स का यहाँ कंट्रीब्यूशन जो है वो अलग अलग एरिया से हमारा था. फॉर एग्जांपल कंप्यूटर साइंस, हमने कंप्यूटर साइंस का किया, इकोनॉमिक्स का किया, केमिस्ट्री की मैडम है, शी हैज़ कंट्रीब्यूटेड फ्रॉम द स्टैटिस्टिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. So when it comes about, but we as an academician, this is a great achievement for me. I don't want any financial or monetary benefit here. Now it's up to on you whether you are you want any financial benefit for your own novel idea. You can go for it, but just for the sake of academic purpose, if you want the patent only or the registered patent only, then the monetary benefit will be secondary. But there are lots of problems when it comes about whether it's in collaboration or at individual level, just because Indian government में बहुत ज़रा प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं. जैसे कि आशा मैम ने भी मुझे पहले मीटिंग में ही बोला था, या इंडियन गवर्नमेंट से बहुत ज़्यादा हेक्टिक काम होता है, जिसमें बस बहुत ज़्यादा रिजिड है इन टर्म ऑफ ग्रांटिंग द पेटेंट. 3.5 year बहुत ज़्यादा है. पेशेंस रखना पड़ता है अगर इंडिया में
Thank you,
है.
sir. Thank you.
Any more questions, friends? Okay, I'm not seeing any questions or any hands being raised or anything in
Hello?
the chat box. Yeah, somebody has. Yeah, please ask.
Yes, Manisha ma'am. Yeah, this is Savita. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. First of all, heartiest congratulations to Nilesh sir. We are very happy to get the news on that very day itself, and it's indeed an inspiration for all of us to do really something awesome. So we are so much proud of you, and thank you for organizing such a program, all the organizers. It's really nice so that we can appreciate our own colleagues at our own home. It feels like that. My question to Nilesh sir is this, sir, how this idea came to you to be a part of the team, and what was your overall experience of looking towards innovation as an area for professors?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. So मैं भूल गया था, मुझे आपने याद दिला. Thank you ma'am. And I just at the initial level of my presentation I just told you that that's a little story, but मैं वो story बताना भूल गया. Dr. Vilas ने मुझे approach किया था that please have some literature review on this asthmatic information. We will be publishing a paper, or we'll try to publish a paper in the Scopus or elsewhere, anywhere in the industry journal. So I was under that impression that we are supposed to go for any research paper and I have to go forward in that direction. So मैंने उस ड्यूरेशन से फिर वो कॉन्सेप्ट्स को लेके मैंने लिटरेचर रिव्यू एंड रिसर्च गैप मैंने निकाला था. बट उन्होंने फिर धीमन सर से उनका बात होने के बाद बोला कि यार वो उनको पेटेंट के अप्रोच से चाहिए. सो फॉर्चुनेटली मैं जैसे हमेशा बोलता हूँ ये योगायोग जला मंडन मराठी ये संयोग की बात होगी कि मेरे रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर में एक रिसर्च गैप हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस एंड एसिमेट्रिक इंफॉर्मेशन के बारे में था. एंड कोइंसिडेंटली ये पेटेंट भी या फिर उनका जो प्रोजेक्ट भी है बीएसआर सिस्टम जो है दैट इज कोइंसिडेंटली रिलेटेड टू द सेम सेक्टर. बट द थिंग इज दैट हमारा जो रोल था वी जस्ट ओनली लिंक द कंप्यूटर साइंस विद द economics part or the asymmetric information which collaboratively which will be helpful to help there will not be any market failure in the insurance sector. First thing. Second thing, if I could say about professor sector in our fraternity, this is the need of time now. That research में जैसे हम लोग unofficially बात कर रहे थे जब हम लोग मीटिंग से पहले मनीषा मैडम मीट शिवाजी सर हम लोग बात कर रहे थे दैट रिसर्च में हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा पीछे है. Fortunately, I got to I'm in the contact with good people or with good academicians, with researchers, those who are having a good hand in research. उनकी तरफ देखने के बाद लगता है यार हम लोग कहीं पे भी स्टैंड नहीं कर रहे. अगर हमें फर्दर जाना है तो पेटेंट या फिर स्कोपस इंडेक्सेस या फिर इंडेक्सेस जर्नल्स में अपने पेपर्स ये दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर प्रोफेशन. सो instead of traditional methods, we must move or we must look forward into that perspective, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Savita,
ma'am.
for asking. Is there any other question or should we wind up? Okay. Okay, I think there are no further questions. So let me formally end this session with a word of thanks. A lot of learning, sir. Like I was noting down quite a number of things, very interesting things. But the main thing I learned is interdisciplinary nature of work always helps. And here, when you refer to asymmetric information, the same thing happens on nutrition labels in food. So when I was doing my PhD, you have this nutrition information back of pack, calories, fats, proteins, and people just look at fats and pick up products.
Yeah.
They are not looking at protein or vitamin content. So again, companies marketing not so healthy products.
It leads to one more economical term that is as adverse selection.
Exactly, and
Adverse
yeah.
selection.
Exactly, and that is why my interest was to develop a front of pack label, which will give more symmetric information, make it very useful. So there
when
is a
it
lot.
comes about the natural sciences, there is lots of scope for the patenting and so on. But when it comes about the social sciences people, the interdisciplinary approach will definitely help them out to be in the light of that patent areas.
Exactly. So the learnings that I take from this session are interdisciplinary teams will lead to much bigger, greater, deeper work. So we should learn to collaborate with each other, even at college level and beyond that. We can begin with college level for that matter. And second lesson from your story was seize the opportunity. Never say no when
Yes.
opportunity comes.
Yes.
Yeah. And the third thing that I learned from you is like you had to submit everything within 2 days. So hard work, there's no substitute for hard work and sincerity.
अपने कॉलेज में आने के बाद मुझे आदत हो गई.
Yeah.
Sorry,
and a lot.
principal ma'am. We want right now. We want this right now.
Okay.
That's a good one. Some motivation from somewhere.
So a lovely session, sir. Thank you on behalf of everybody, all my colleagues and friends here, and on behalf of Criteria 3. on behalf of IQAC, on behalf of the research cell members. Thank you, and I hope all my other colleagues are also looking forward for many more achievements from you and all our colleagues, so we can have many more sessions and learn from each other. Thank you all.
I
Thank
must
you.
thank you. Thanks a lot for all the participants and colleagues. Thanks for listening me, bearing me.
Can we come in together mode for a moment? If you guys don't mind putting on your cameras, because this is
Have a short, yeah.